Welcome to this stunning custom-built luxury home, boasting over 5,600 square feet of exquisite living space on over 8 acres of prime equine property. Built by 2019 Showcase of Homes Builder winner Kodiak Construction, this remarkable property truly has the best of both suburban and country living. Located just minutes from downtown Saratoga, the track, SPAC, numerous parks and I-87, yet has room for horses, barns, and paddocks, or simply your own private retreat. Through the majestic walnut custom self-closing front door takes you to the elegant yet relaxed open floor plan. Cozy up on a cold night by the gorgeous stone fireplace. Entertain numerous friends and family in the adjacent large dining room, or gather everyone around the oversized island featuring white quartz countertops. Boasting over $28,000 of Thermador appliances, this is a true gourmet kitchen, including pot filler, custom cabinetry, LED under-cabinet lighting, and farmhouse sink. The main level also features oversized custom barn doors, leading to a spacious office on one side and a bright and sunny guest bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite full bathroom. The second floor features a comfortable media room or loft space, perfect for a secondary TV alcove or kids' play area. Double doors take you to a handsome master suite anyone would envy. The attached master bathroom boasts double sink vanity, double shower with marble bench, and soapstone tile. Directly off the bathroom yields a huge built-in custom closet system, complete with island and dressing area. Could there be more? A private office beyond the master suite closet completes the luxurious and spacious master suite. Completing the second floor are laundry and 2 additional bedrooms, both with built-in lofts and ensuite full baths. Fully finished basement with bath makes for the perfect rec room. Additional entertaining space includes a cozy screened-in porch and rooftop deck with stunning sunset views. Within 3 hours drive of Montreal, New York City, and Boston, this exceptional custom home on equine acreage sits in a premier location in a great school district and might very well be the address for you.